guys can hear us, we're in the middle of the place where we wait for the bus. It's in the middle of the highway itself, so you can see the car zooming by behind us and in front of us, so it's quite noisy.
So we're heading back to the city center for another walking tour. This time it's going to be food tour.
So we'll see what we'll be trying. Maybe a lot of fruits, because the fruits are so delicious here.
Yes.
I heard at the end you can probably go by Chinatown for some dim sum. Hopefully it's going to be another good one. This time we
Sunscreened
a little
up.
bit ready. Put sunscreen on. We have our hat and cap ready, so we don't get burned too much anymore. Hopefully.
Again.
Yeah. Jeez.
Let's not make same mistakes. Let's learn.
Yeah, so we still got the card from the last time, so we were charging that one. Pretty simple, actually.
Yeah.
Just hopefully there's no lineup on the busy time. We filled it up. I think should be enough, if not just need a little bit more to go back. Yeah, other than that, highly recommend. Just take caution. Like for us, we keep our bag in front of us, right? Just to not entice the pickpocketer. Even the locals here, you can see that they are putting their bag in front of them. So it's not just for tourists. It's just common sense.
And also, so you don't smack people in their faces with your backpack kind of thing.
Yeah, that's another thing. I'm getting the full experience of local bus, all packed up. Hey Kate, how is it? Having fun?
Yeah.
Local bus.
Crowded. Yeah, some like carrots.
Es similar.
What is it called?
Tuna. This is
Tuna? Ah, okay.
parecido.
And that's what it looks like. Big one.
Dragon fruit? No.
No, it's not dragon fruit. It's tuna. That's the fruit right there.
Oh, it's the one on the cactus.
So that was a little bit like kiwi, but sweeter.
Kiwi or like a really ripe dragon fruit
Yeah,
with
dragon
like
fruit.
a larger
Bit. But
like
it does look like pieces of tuna fish though, when it's chopped up like that.
I know, to me first was dragon fruit. It's just the pits are bigger.
Goldenberry. It's not gooseberry, goldenberry. But it looks...
Gooseberry is the one in Poland, the green one that you were trying. That's different.
I didn't expect that at all. Okay, the sourness a little bit, but that flavor. It reminds me of something...
The skin has like really odd aftertaste.
Yeah.
It's very perfumey in a way, in a weird way.
Nah. Like you'll get used to it. It's good. Ah, that is it.
Good one.
Yeah.
Mango papaya.
Oh, mango papaya. That's the name of it.
This is very sweet, and I think this is where the juices are made out of. Right?
Okay, so that reminds me more a lot of the mangoes back in Indonesia.
Yeah?
It's that size and that flavor.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's kind of a little bit different in the juice, or maybe I had in my mind the
I'm
flow.
wondering if they are using less ripe ones for the fruit, for the juices, versus for eating like that, you get the really ripe ones.
So we don't have to get the small flow one, we can get that one. Yeah.
The big yellow one, delicious.
That was good. So we had the juice for this one. Yeah. Okay, so we had the ice cream of this one is lukma, not lukuman, lukma.
It actually,
Oh yeah, it is.
but it's actually less walnutty in this form because it's kind of more dry.
Very pasty. Very, very pasty.
Ice creams are really good from that.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's the walnut.
Yeah.
There's that walnut thing at the end. Yeah.
Once you get like full mouth of it, you get the walnut.
Called again?
Don't eat the leaves, please.
Oh, okay. We call this srikaya. Okay, I want to know your.
Oh, you know this?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is what we call srikaya in Indonesia.
Okay.
A little different.
Like a banana pudding.
Grow one in your belly.
Okay, a little bit different. It's not exactly the same. I think it's in the same family, but it's not the same fruit.
Yeah. You didn't eat the pits, did you? Pit?
No, no.
So we just had granadilla, which is kind of orange-sized, orangey fruit with like a tuft on top. It had like a very floral scent.
I'll be here waiting, waiting.
So this would be my sign. How do you say monkey in
Yeah, monkeys. Monos?
monos?
Yes. In Spanish, mono.
Soy yo monos. Mommy's crap. Where's dog? You and sis are not presented.